fools fall in love?
Isn't the producer.
Why do fools fall in love? Somebody tell me why. It's a ghetto love song. Yodelay, ooh, yodelay, yodelay, ooh, yeah, yeah. 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 Yodelay, ooh, yodelay, yodelay, ooh.
Good morning, guys. Like, I know I haven't been vlogging and stuff. That's because I have a lot of work doing. Like, work in itself is hectic, plus I'm working on some other projects, which you guys probably see. I posted a video of some kids doing cheerleading. That was like one of my big projects I was working on, and God's be we won cheerleading. Go Elisha girls. So today I took the day off because I'm supposed to follow my sister to the doctor, which we're about to do right now, and Babe's here in Jamaica, so hopefully y'all get to see him in the vlog because he leaves Sunday, and today is what, August the 10th of 2018. So let's get on with the vlog. Yeah, like, I'll see you guys when I get to the doctor's. Okay, peace. Hi guys, so we are back from running our errand, and the baby is calling, and the plan is to go to the beach. Well, I was to go to the bank to get some money, but the bank system is down, so I'm home. Hopefully we could still go to the beach, so let's just see where this day leads, man. Oh, so first thing, my sister was to book it's called book her room to have her baby, so that's why we went to the doctor's. And so for what we heard, it was booking is only on Tuesdays, and since today's a Friday, we didn't get to do that. So next week Tuesday we'll be going back to her a room, and yeah, we're just going throw some stuff in the bag and get ready to go to the beach. So we'll see you all at the beach, okay? So guys, we finally made it to the beach. We're here in Elsha. Put more. So yeah, we're just here chilling. Well, I'm kind of ready for the beach, and Kenisha not ready. Tashin, I put on him clothes. So guys, I'm all for the swims. I'm like a mermaid, man, and I'm just ready, patiently waiting. So like, in the first time in forever, we got a special guest on our channel.
Hi.
Everybody, that's...
Wow, one. Yo. That's how I really talk. This is my voice.
This is my real voice, man.
This is my real voice. Yo.
So everybody, we came to Elsha to enjoy life. But for some reason, the sea just decided to full up the place of seaweed, which a girl find nasty, which even though we've been in the water. And other than the seaweed, it just been start drewing, like rain start drew.
I should never like the birds.
And yeah, there's so much, like, I'm going to show you what there's just so much, what a bird call it?
Yeah.
Pelican?
That's the only thing they know in your mind. No, pelican.
Oh no! Them birds when they have fish. We come and find in Nemo, them birds will swim around and they have the fish, and yeah. That type of bird, they just all over the place, and a girl just afraid. So yeah, and then Tashin.
So I'm gonna target her. She thinks she's a fish, and I'm gonna target her. That's how she's afraid.
Whatever. So everybody, like, yeah, we're just there, we're right now, we're chilling, and I'm hungry. So Tash
This will full her belly.
No, I don't want.
This will full her belly.
Oh, like, Tash gonna be a ladies' gentleman. I just get me some festival and like a bottle of water. Right?
I'm a fish. I should be back out there.
I'm a mermaid. So you guys, this is my swimwear. Like, I don't even have anything outrageous. Just
I told her
bra.
to get a bathroom, but no.
My little Lilo, my little Stitchy. Boop. Yeah, my friend right here. Oh, how is it pronounced? How is it pronounced again? Ohana. Ohana means family. I can go to a I can go to a Wahihi. Wahihi. So like, yeah, you guys, we go try and get something to eat and then get back to you guys. And I feel right? Right?
Wrong.
Right?
Wrong.
You're not gonna try and get something to eat?
Nah. We're starving ourselves today.
Cause she didn't just have donut and a bottle of drink. So cause
Big
she
buckle.
yeah,
And it's still not done, so we are starving ourselves.
so you guys we'll get back to you in a few. Oh, goodbye, Tasha. Look at that. Yeah. Oh my lord. We're walking towards this shit. Man. Look at that. Like, look at this. So guys, heard that the beach was successful.
Ish.
Ish.
After a little drop of rain, my girl, I want to come out there. She want to come out to the sea after one little drop of rain and see clear blue skies. Clear blue skies. So it's all on her.
Anywho guys, so because we
Yes,
didn't
thank you.
drive, they heard you. Because we didn't drive, we are going to take the bus back home. Tash wants to stop at this gaming arcade in Fort Worth called Buzzers. But I've been saying, you want to go to Buzzers? With this like big bag of clothes, and I have this bag of clothes. Man, I don't even know.
Oh, she can't cross roads.
That's the life on the Peter Hill.
Is that right here?
Yeah, that's where we would get the bus.
I don't know.
He might behave like
I'm
he
a
never
tourist.
born at Jamaica.
I'm a tourist.
He's a tourist in Portmore, guys. But in general, he's a freaking Jamaican. But anyways, guys, we'll see you when we get on the bus. And when we decide, oh man, what we gonna do next. Right?
Ciao.
He says,
Ciao. You only have 21 minutes worth of video left? Yeah. Gotta start.
guys, we are finished for the day. I just had, for me, well, that's dinner. Tash considers it lunch. So,
Which lunch? That was dinner.
okay, so we just had dinner. And we are going to go our separate ways.
Already? You're not going to come with me?
So, you guys, I'm back home and I'm chilling with the fam bam. That's Smiley right there. And we have come to the end of our vlog, and it was a well-spent day. I'm just tired and I have work in the morning, so I will be crying at work trying to get some sleep in. And yeah, so remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Kayla's vlog. Bye bye my Kaylanders, until next time, love you. Peace.